Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's adventure, we're going to Vienna. So quick plot twist, my flight got delayed for about an hour, not the best start, but honestly, I just made the anticipation even stronger. I just landed and this is the Vienna airport. First impressions, clean, calm, and already giving that soft European vibe. Next step, figuring out how to get into the city. I took the train, the city airport train, and honestly, even the subway here feels so organized and easy. Everything just flows. And then I arrived. First glance of Vienna, the weather is perfect. Not too cold, not too warm. Just that kind of spring air that makes you want to walk endlessly. So that's exactly what I did. No bus, no rush. I wanted to feel the city step by step. My first stop is the heart of Vienna and where the cathedral stands, and wow, it's something else. The details, the height, the story you can literally feel in the walls. It's not just a building, it's a story. You stand here, look up, and for a moment everything slows down. From there I wandered through the streets, passing up by the luxury boutiques like Louis Vuitton. What caught me wasn't even the brands, it was the buildings themselves. Old, elegant, and full of character. Vienna really knows how to preserve its beauty. Then I headed to Bergarten Parks. Spring here is alive. Students just sitting on the grass, laughing, reading, enjoying the sun. Next, I walked towards the parliament. The architecture is grand. And after that, I headed to Wenleby Park. And yeah, this is me just sitting, making fun, enjoying the moment because honestly, I love this place. Sometimes it's not about doing everything, it's about pausing and feeling where you are. And I finally reached Vertiv Park. This place feels like a hidden pause in the city. There's actually a castle-like architecture nearby and the whole area is filled with people. Just sitting, relaxing, talking, living. It's one of the most places where time doesn't feel rushed. Vienna in general has this quiet elegance. It doesn't try too hard, it just is. After a full day of walking and taking everything in, it was time to head back. I took the train again to the airport, but of course, I couldn't resist stopping by a cheese store because when in Europe, right? And now I've made it to my next flight. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.